How to download Photoshop for free. So if you want to download Photoshop for free, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And then you need to open up your browser. And after opening your browser, you need to search for Photoshop. And you will have your Adobe Photoshop right here. You need to click on the first link, which will take you to the official website. And from here, if you want to download your Adobe Photoshop, then you need to just simply go with the free trial section, which will be on the left side. Once you go with the free trial, then you can have three plans, which is individuals or business or students and teachers. You can go and select any plan. You will get a lot of discount, like over 70% off on student and teachers. And then under business, you will have a free trial. And then you will have individuals, which is the best value. You'll have the 7-day free trial and a 7-day free trial for business. And then for the students and teachers, you will also have a 7-day free trial, but you will get over 70% off after the free trial. So you can just simply go with add a 7-day free trial right here under the Adobe Stock, and then you need to go with continue, which will be on the bottom right. Once you click on continue, wait for a few seconds and then enter your email address. After entering, go with continue, which will be on the bottom. Sign into your account and then add your payment method and go with continue, which will be in the bottom. And then your Adobe Photoshop will be downloaded. Or you can also just simply search for the Adobe Photoshop download and you'll get the official link, which is Photoshop free trial and free download, which is from the Adobe itself. And once you click on that, you'll get this kind of interface. You can go with start free trial and then start your free trial. So that's how you can download. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.